So, you want to make money online and thousands of dollars daily, but you're lazy and you don't want to work hard. You definitely don't want to learn anything that's too technical or start creating any fancy websites, and you never want to show your face on camera. But of course, you still want all the nice things in life. Well, if that's you, then on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make money online but basically not doing much at all and earning thousands daily and weekly, as this is a passive income model that can pay you for years to come. So if you're a really lazy person, well, you just want one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2021. Make sure you watch this entire video as I'll give you all the tools you need to get started straight away. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. So today I want to show you these different types of channels and these different types of websites that are absolutely blowing up that you can combine to make money online in the easiest possible way. This will take hardly any work, and if you're a completely lazy person, you can utilize a strategy to make money online in 2021. Let me show you firstly why these different channels are absolutely blowing up and how you can capitalize on this. This channel is called Viral Now, and people love stories, people love things that are going viral, which is why they watch these different types of video. For example, 10 regular people who completely vanished. Very interesting. It's a catchy title. It's very intriguing. So people watch these 10 most beautiful wolves in the world, 10 ghosts caught on camera. So people love this sort of stuff, which is why these videos get hundreds and thousands and millions of views. And if you come over to the social blade stats of this channel, you can see that this channel is making anything up to $11,000 every single month. And you can see here that they're getting millions of views on this channel every single month. But there are plenty of these different types of top 10, top 5 viral type videos that you can have a look at. And if you come over here and have a look at some of these channels, they're getting millions of views, and these videos in these channels, the content that they are using are not theirs. They are not creating it and they are not showing their faces. But I want to show you the laziest way that you can do this, which is basically just copy and paste. Put it up on a channel and make a ton of money along with YouTube. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Here's another channel called Top 5 Best, and when you come over here, this channel gets millions of views every single month. As you can see, the channel posts constantly because the content is very simple to create. Puts it all together, very catchy thumbnails. I'll show you how to do this. We're talking about tens of thousands of dollars. When you come down here, he's getting about 15 million views on his channel with the $2 CPM. I can tell you that's $30,000 every single month, which is about half of what Social Blade shows over here. So how do you combine this with the site over here that's called Listverse? If you come over here, it shows you different top 10 things. If you come over here to the categories, you've got bizarre, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, society. People are getting into these stories onto this site and they get paid to do this. So how can you sell all these different top 10 articles very easily without having to write a lot and do anything to make money online with YouTube? Let me show you exactly how people have been doing this. When you come over here under the editor's pick, you can see all these different types of stories. If you take a look at this, it's called 10 surprising ways music can be bad for you. It's a little bit catchy. People that love listening to music are definitely going to check exactly what this is about. So this can have the potential to have a lot of views on YouTube, and you have to remember that YouTube is a search engine. So once you use a title like this, and if somebody searches for this on Google, you're going to show up on Google search as well. Now I'm going to show you how you can make money online utilizing this strategy with the page strategy. Then I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know which country you're coming from so that I can make more videos in your region. Now this site gets millions of views. When you come over here, it has a total visit of 3.25 million, which means people are interested in this content. And when you come over here, United States covers almost 50% of that. Then United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India. Pretty much all other countries around the world, and these are all high-tiered countries, which means you stand a good chance to get a good CPM with this. Now, I've clicked onto the 10 surprising ways music can be bad for you. So how can you take all this information over here and create a YouTube channel on it? Well, it's simple. There is a site that I use called vidnami.com. This is a software where you can simply copy and paste all that information. What Vidnami is going to do is it's going to create the video for you that you can directly then take and paste onto YouTube. Now, you can't just go and take all the information. You have to rewrite a little bit, but the concept of this remains the same. So when you have a look at why music can be bad for you, you can make changes a little bit. You can put it in a different order. You can do a bit more research and find other facts. And then all you need to do is copy this, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that with Vidnami. Now, once you log into Vidnami, you're going to see their back office. This is my back office to Vidnami, and the first thing that you want to do is go to this template option. You can create content video, presenter video, create an ad, a sales video. For these types of videos, all you need to do is click onto content video, choose a theme, and what basically happens from there is it takes us over to a page that looks like this. What you want to do now is you want to enter in a script. So basically what I've done is I've gone over to Listverse, copy this information, but I've only copied the first 2 or 3 points. So when you come over here, you can see here that I've titled it 10 surprising ways music can be bad for you. And all I've done is copy this and pasted it in here. What happens from there is you come over here and you click onto scenes. Once you click onto scenes, it brings you over to a page that looks like this. Now, everything that is written on the script is going to repopulate over here, and it's going to show you everything. As you can see, there are 80 different scenes. When you scroll down here, you can see that this has all been created. It's created the video for you. Now, you have the option of removing some of the texts that you don't want. All you need to do is click on to hide text, or you can leave the text. You can put music, you can put voiceover, and this has created the entire video for you. From here, all you need to do is upload the video directly to YouTube. The cool thing about this is when it creates the scene for you, it gives you options over here to select other videos as well. This is very simple, and the laziest person can do this. It's copy and paste, and it simply creates the video for you. From there, what you need to do is you need to do a voiceover. I recommend that you use your phone or a microphone to do the voiceover yourself. Then from there, you preview the video. You click onto preview, you're going to see exactly what this video looks like. Plus, you have the option to put music over this video. As you can see now, it's creating the video for us. I want to show you what this is going to look like without having to have voiceover. If we play this, you're going to hear music. So this is a 4-minute and 23-second video. So this video will be fairly long, which means that you will have the opportunity to get really good watch time to get your channel monetized really quickly. Because with anything like this, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is the way that you can do to make money online. Now, if you wanted to do this for free and you don't want to pay the $47 a month, there is a trick with this to pay even less. What you do is you sign up for a 14-day trial to test Vidnami. What happens after the 14-day trial stops, they're going to start messaging you to sign up. I've seen this to get as low as $25 a month. They start giving you offers to sign up for $25 a month. If you don't want to pay the $47, hang in there. They will send you offers lower than $47. If you guys want to do this for free and still with listverse.com, you need to have stock images and stock videos that you can use copyright free. All you have to do is go over to pexels.com or pixabay.com. From there, what you need next is a free editing software like openshot.org. This is absolutely free. Go check out these websites that I've mentioned if you don't want to pay for anything extra. Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!